So this problem wants us to write a system of equations here. Write a system of linear equations given its graph. So that gives us two lines here. You see the lines are parallel to each other. And it gives us the system down here. It looks like they want us to put it in y equals mx plus b form. So all we really need to do here is this is what they're looking for, y equals mx plus b for one equation, and then y equals mx plus b for the second equation. And we would write that down here as our system. So all we need to do is find our start point for the first one, and then our slope, and the start point for our second one, and then our slope, and just plug it in. So let's look at the top line, and we see that it crosses the y-axis at 5. So positive 5 would be our start point. So we could just write plus 5 as our start point. And then our slope, we see it has 2 points here. One, the x-intercept there is negative 3, and we go to 5. So we just need to figure out the slope from there. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and over 1, 2, and 3. So we are plus 5 in our change in y, and we are plus 3 for our change in x. So we move positive 5 in the y direction, positive 3 in the x direction, telling us that 3/5 is our slope. So there we go, 3/5 x plus 5 is our first one. And then our second one, we see that our start point is at positive 3, so we'll put a positive 3 here. And let's look at our slope. We go over positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. So our change in x is positive 3, and then positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Positive 5 is our change in y. So notice that the slopes are the same and that we have parallel lines. Parallel lines are going to have the same slope. They're changing at the same rate, and they will never touch. They change at the same rate but have different y-intercepts.